Try except. When you're creating a program, I would say go through, create the program, get it to work, and then add exception handling afterwards. Because if something does go wrong in here, you're not going to see the exception. You're only going to see your error message. If I decide I want to see what the exception is, I can do pass. I think it's pass. Is that right? So if I type in a character, nope, it's not pass. What is it? Raise. Well, I don't remember what it is. There. It'll raise the exception and then you can see, oh, that's the one I'm not catching. Or you comment out things. But raise will temporarily disable the exception handling so that you can see what's going wrong. You try something, if something happens, you handle the exception. Basic exception handling. This handles an exceptional input of some sort.
It's kind of like an error catcher.
It doesn't catch logic errors. It catches if people type in the wrong thing, or it catches if the program explodes for some reason, which is usually user input.
Yeah.
Is the big one.
Yes, it catches user error.
If I type in a B instead of a 1. Well, it's handy to have, but I always suggest doing it like I did here. Here I got the program to work. Everything's beautiful. The last thing I'm going to do is put in error handling and then test it. Otherwise, you have to turn off the error handling if you want to figure out why it's saying, please enter a number next time. You can also do this. Oh, that's not it. Just a second. Let me pause. Although I like doing it the other way. Another way to do this, you do accept exception as E for the error. And then you can print out what the error was. It doesn't print out the whole stack trace. But it does print out whatever the particular error was. So this is a little more robust exception handling, because if there is an error, instead of just saying, please enter a number the next time, as a programmer, you can see the actual error. For the user, is that going to be helpful? Not particularly. They need to see something like this.
I also think it's a little bit neater that way.
Like this or the other way?
Well, if you can just tell them what the error is without doing. Yeah, without having to do a whole like stack of whatever, just telling them.
Please enter a number.
Yeah.
So this is useful for if you're troubleshooting or you keep it in there just for you. But it's just another way to do it. Although this error, the error messages with, I can't remember which version of Python, they really upped the ante on better explanations in their error messages. So is a normal user going to understand cannot convert string to float? Maybe not, but it's a lot better than some of the error messages. But that's a possibility. I quite often do it like that. So it'll print out the actual error message, or I'll put it on another line. You know, I'll use a line extender to put it on another line. And then the final assignment is to do something similar to what we've been looking at.